You're walking down the street right now, but beneath your feet is a world you were never meant to see. Not a subway, not a sewer, a digital web buried in tunnels, vaults, and concrete. It's the real internet, and what you're using? Just the surface layer. This is Tech Enigma, and today I'll show you a world they've been quietly building for decades, beneath your city and beyond your control. We think of the internet as wireless, floating in the cloud. But in truth, over 95% of the world's data travels through cables, buried under your cities, laid across the ocean floor. In fact, your YouTube stream, your Instagram DM, even this video, traveled through a system older than most of us watching this. Now here's the twist. Not all fiber cables are active. Some, thousands of miles of them, are turned off. That's what they call dark fiber. Why? Because major corporations like Google, AT&T, and even government entities lay cables they don't use. Yet, they're holding digital real estate, a silent power play for future internet control. You've passed them before, gray, windowless buildings with no signs. But inside, they host the internet. These are called Internet Exchange Points, IXPs. It's where ISPs, cloud companies, banks, and even governments swap data. If one goes down, you don't just lose connection. Sometimes entire countries go offline. It's that serious. Some networks aren't just hidden, they're abandoned. Cities like Detroit, Berlin, and Seoul have legacy tech tunnels from the 90s. Forgotten, dusty, but still partially active. In some places, independent researchers have tapped into these ghost systems to map digital flows. In others, they've become access points for cyber criminals. So who owns this underground empire? Not governments, mostly private companies, and a few super powerful players in Silicon Valley. They race to control access points, lay exclusive fiber routes, and install underground AI data centers. The real internet war? It's not social media, it's buried beneath it. Here's the truth. The internet isn't floating in the sky, it's a fortress underground, controlled by those with the resources to lay cable, shield it, and switch it on when it suits them. And unless you knew where to look, you'd never even know it was there. But now you do. And next time you open a browser, remember, you're stepping into a system they buried right under your city. If this blew your mind, you're exactly where you need to be. Hit that subscribe button, and every week I'll show you the side of tech they never teach you. This is Tech Enigma, where secrets meet signals.